Hi, my name is Dmitry. In this video I want to show you how to build your own social media management tool, something like buffer.com but simpler. I will be using Postproxy API for that. Postproxy is a social media API which hides away the complexity of integrating with all the social media platforms one by one individually and maintaining all of them, and offers just a simple unified interface instead. To demonstrate how this integration between your software and the Postproxy publishing layer can be done, we prepared a simple blueprint project called Potato, because Potato is cool, and this is just a blueprint. It has basic client management capabilities, so you can create customers, and also publishing, so you can connect customers' social media accounts, compose posts, and deliver them to actual social media platforms. And from there you can take it wherever you want. You can build features on top, you can make it part of your own software, you name it. So in this video I will show you how to fork that, how to set it up locally, how to deploy it to Vercel in this example, and also how to build a feature on top. So let's get started. Okay, now let's just go step by step to have everything up and running. First, I would need to fork the repository. It's available on Postproxy organization. You can also use the search. The links will be available. Let's just fork it and clone it. Take some time. Okay, it's cloned to my account, so I can now just take the link, navigate to the folder where I want projects to be, clone it to that project. Next, I would need to prepare the config file for environment variables and install dependencies. Okay, and now I just need to open the config file with whatever editor of preference, of choice, and set up all the variables. I will use Nano for that. The names of the variables are already there, so I just need to put in the values. Okay, where to get values for all of these config variables? Let's start with Postproxy API key first. I already have my Postproxy account. You will probably need to create one. You can navigate to the API key section, press Create API Key button, and create API key. I will call it Potato key. Create, and copy to the clipboard so that I can paste it in my config. Nice. The URL I can keep as is because it will be a local run. For Supabase, I need to create a Supabase project. I already have an account, an organization here, so let's do the same. Call it my Potato. Clone the password pre-filled by browser because I already did that, but you would probably need to type it. The rest can stay the same. Creating the new project. The project is created. I would just need to copy first this URL, pressing the button copy and pasting it here. And second, I would need to have the key, this one. That's pretty much it. So I'm saving it, and let's check what's next. Now I would need to run the migration, but first let's ensure that I'm logged into Supabase in my terminal. For that I would need to run npx Supabase login. Okay, it would redirect me to Supabase page. Copy pasting this code, pressing enter, done. I can close this tab. Now npx Supabase link and agreeing that that's the right project, the one I created, and then actually migrating the data. Pressing Y. That's it. Now I can just run the app and see what's going on. Let's create an account then. Important, I would need to have an account with real email because Supabase does the validation of emails. So I will use the Postproxy one. After I click the link in the verification email which Superbase sent, I can proceed to sign in. And that's the main screen of Potato. Let's add the first client and add social media accounts for them. I can now go to the client page and press connect account. Let's say it's going to be Instagram. We'll be redirected to Instagram authorization page, press allow button, and after that I redirect it back. And it says that it's active. I can also check on Postproxy how does it look like. So as you see that I have the warning message because I'm using the free account and I'm facing the limit of the profile groups. But now I also have the profile group for the client I just created and the account which I just connected. Let's see if we can make a post from Potato. Can go to Compose tab, and now I need to find some image just for the test purpose. I'm sending it to Instagram as a post, and the first comment would be how cool. I'm not saving it as a draft, I'm not scheduling it for later, I'm just publishing it now. It's being executed now. Let's see how it looks like at Postproxy. It's pending because it takes time for Instagram to actually process and publish that. Okay, so the status has been changed to published. By clicking on this pill, I can actually see the post on the social media. So the post is live, the image which I used, and there is even the first comment. Coolio. Let's now try to deploy that to Vercel so that it's not only running locally, but it's actually functioning on some actual servers. I already have an account created, and we can just follow the next part of the guide, which you can see in the README file in the repo. I would need to add a new project. Continuing with GitHub. I already have my account connected, but you will probably need to press add GitHub account and allow the access to it. And you can select the repository which you want to associate with this project too. Keeping everything as is here, and I would just need to set up the environment variables here. Let's just navigate to the folder, Potato, and these are my variables. Let's see if I can just copy them and magically paste here. Awesome. Now I can just press deploy. Okay, so now it is deployed, and I can access that by this link. Can I? Awesome. So my app is working remotely, and I do have my account still connected here, and also the posts which we published. Okay, let's now add a little bit more activity in this account, so we have a bit more stuff to play around with, and add something on top. I will connect more accounts and create more posts in different states. Okay, so I have a couple more posts in different types of social platforms. Let's try to wipe code a calendar view for this, so that all of these posts are actually on the days grid and statuses are displayed differently. So let's go to the project folder and run Claude. Okay. And I want just to type a simple prompt for adding a calendar view for schedule post. Now let's wait. Okay, now it has created the calendar view. At least I see the toggle already here. Awesome. And it has different colors for different states. Cal view switches by the weeks, or sorry, by months, I hope. And I can even click the post and it will redirect me to the post. Perfecto. Obviously that's not the most rocket science example, but it's just a demonstration what you can build on top, while the publishing remains pretty much the same. Let's now commit this and deploy to Vercel and see if that would work. Let's see if my push has triggered the deployment. Okay, looks like it is. Project on the deployed version of the project, and see if I actually have the calendar view here. Awesome. So the calendar view is on my deployed version as well. That's everything I wanted to show you today. To summarize, the main idea is that you don't have to pay for expensive SaaS software and just like work your way around its limitation anymore. You can just build whatever you need. And Postproxy takes care of the social media integration headaches. Claude Code is there for you for all the implementation needs. Just describe what you want. And Potato Blueprint gives you the solid foundation for that. Superbase already handling the Postgres and AUF. Again, Postproxy for all the social media platform pains. And from here on, it's up to you. Plug in generative AI for fancy content workflows. Build in richer client management pipelines. Approval flows, mood boards, colorful dashboards. Sky is the limit. So I encourage you, take this blueprint, fork it, break it, make it yours, tailor it to the needs of your project. Cheers, take care.